Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I will show how to make this simple design for the beginner. Today I will show how to make a circular pattern and some difficult shape. Okay, please see. The design here is a bigger circle diameter 90 millimeter and a smaller 55 millimeter. Okay, and circular pattern reference diameter 36 and a smaller diameter 10 millimeter, and here is degree 30 millimeter. A smaller circle 20 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this. First choose front plane and sketch. See, now I choose bigger circle here and inside of circle. Now dimension bigger 190 and a smaller circle diameter 55. Okay, now I make center line. Okay, 1 2 and last one, middle of the center line, connect from origin. Give the dimension here from here 30 millimeter and another one same 30 millimeter. Okay, now angular circle 1 and 2. Give the dimension 36 millimeter outer one, 36 millimeter and inner one 20 millimeter. Okay, uh, now distance between inside circle of center of origin, distance 6 millimeter. Okay, see, now our design is fully defined. Now I make this shape from another one. First of all I choose mirror. I'll just give center line. Okay, mirror and select the two circle 1 and 2. Okay, now it's selected. Then press the mirror about and mirror from center line. Okay, now it's mirror from another one. Okay, now it's mirror. Now I make arc. Okay, click the out of circle here and here. Okay, see, here is some gap. Now I connect 3-point arc from outer diameter, make relation transient. Okay, now it's transient, and same another one. Yes, make relation transient. Okay, now it is transient. And give the dimension. Oh no, some trim entities, because no need to another portion. Okay, cut from uninspected line. Okay, now give the dimension. uh, 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter. And another 3-point arc here. So the 3-point arc and the same procedure. Okay, see, it's some gap. Now I click the arc, hold shift key and press outer diameter, make relation transient. Now it changes, and same procedure here. uh, Press arc control, bigger diameter, make relation transient. Okay, now it's transient. And trim the outer portion. Okay, and give the dimension. Here 14 millimeter. Okay, and the same procedure I mirror this, mirror, select arc and press mirror above, mirror from center line. Now it's mirror from another one. Okay, now it's mirror. Now I cut inside of the circle, first choose trim and drag the mouse left key here, here, here and here. Okay, see. uh, Now I make this shape from another side. I just select this shape and then mirror about side. Okay, let's mirror. First of all, I press mirror entities and select the all entities, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. See, it's all our entities and selected. Now here, and first press mirror about and press horizontal center line. See, now it's shade of this mirror. Okay, see, this is the mirror. Now I make circular pattern. Okay, let's try to make this. First of all, I choose center of circle, must be it, make relation construction geometry, smart the dimension 72 millimeter. Okay, now I choose center of circle and give the dimension. Okay, 10 millimeter. Circle diameter 10 millimeter. Okay, now I create linear circular sketch pattern here, circular sketch pattern, and click the first circle and give the 12 circle here for 12. Okay. Okay. Press the center of circle and construction line, make relation coincident. See, now our design is completely okay. Design is fully defined. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.